Are you experiencing issues with your Hisense TV? Today, we're exploring common Hisense TV problems and offering straightforward solutions to get your viewing experience back on track.
Hisense TVs are known for their affordability and reliability, but like any electronic device, they can run into problems. Whether it's a cracked screen, power issues, or flickering, we've got you covered with easy fixes and tips to prevent future issues. One common issue is screen damage, such as cracks or discoloration often caused by impact. To prevent this, always handle your TV with care. Ensure it's on a stable surface and consider using padding during movement. If damage occurs, screen replacement by a professional is your best bet, though be aware this might affect your warranty. If your Hisense TV won't turn on, start by checking the basics. Ensure the remote batteries are fresh and the power outlet is functioning. If problems persist, a simple unplug, wait, and replug might do the trick. For more stubborn issues, a factory reset could be necessary, but remember, this will erase all your settings. Flickering can be particularly annoying and is often due to external devices or faulty settings. Disconnect other electronics and check your TV's settings, turning off any energy-saving features that might be affecting the display. Persistent flickering might indicate a more serious issue like a faulty mainboard, which would require professional assistance. If the picture seems too bright or too dark, adjusting the settings is straightforward. Access the picture mode in your settings menu and tweak the brightness, contrast, and color until you find the perfect balance for your viewing comfort. Experiencing poor sound quality? Check all connections are secure and that the volume isn't muted. For persistent issues, consider using an external audio receiver or checking for compatibility issues with certain video files. A black screen with audible sound usually points to issues with the LEDs or mainboard. A hard reset might resolve this, but if it doesn't, professional repair will be necessary. Rapid blinking of the LED indicator can signal hardware problems. Refer to Hisense's Blinking Codes Guide for specific troubleshooting steps, or consider a firmware update to ensure your TV runs the latest software, which can sometimes resolve hidden issues. If all else fails, a factory reset might be your final step. This will revert your TV to its original settings, so be prepared to reinstall apps and adjust settings afterward. If problems continue post-reset, it's likely a hardware issue requiring professional repair. While Hisense TVs are generally reliable and easy to use, knowing how to troubleshoot common issues can save you time and enhance your viewing experience. Remember, when in doubt, consulting with a professional is always a safe choice to ensure your TV continues to provide the best possible performance. Thank you for watching, and enjoy a seamless viewing experience with your Hisense TV.